Y'all, guess where I'm going? To the nail salon. Hello guys, today I am going to the nail salon. This wasn't planned or anything like that, but my boyfriend came home, so why not take this opportunity to go to the nail salon? Like, duh. So I don't know if I'm going to get a pedicure and get my nails done, or just get my nails done, or just get a pedicure. I don't know yet. But yeah, today was the perfect time to go because my boyfriend is home and he got the boys or whatever, so yeah, I ain't gotta find nobody to watch them while I go. And I'm gonna show y'all a before I get my nails and my feet done, or whichever one I get done, because they are a mess and I ain't had my feet done in a hot minute. Hot minute. Okay, so that's what we about to do. I'm about to get off of here because you are not supposed to vlog and drive. Y'all know that. Safety first, guys. So yeah, I'll see y'all once I get to the nail salon. Y'all, let me show y'all this cool thing that my car does. I don't know if it's like a little upgrade. I don't know if your cars can upgrade or whatever, but look, y'all see it got a whole stop sign right there because I'm at the stop sign. Like, who car do that? Who car? Mine do. So y'all, I pull up and it's people standing outside. No ma'am, we might not be getting this done today, baby. What we outside for? Let me get up and see. Y'all know, when I'm vlogging in public, y'all, I always put my headphones in like I'm FaceTiming. Do we have to wait or?
Oh, no, they don't. We're waiting for some friends. Thank you for asking.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how long the wait is, though.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello. I did not know you were supposed to have an appointment, but luckily I was able to get in here. is my toes, y'all. You gotta get gel. Got some pretty feet. You gotta get gel, and you gotta get them all white. Like, if you ain't got white toes, what you doing with your life? Okay. And also, guys, make sure to follow me on all my social media. Well, not all my social media, but Snapchat and my Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere, because if you ain't got me on your social media, what you doing? What you doing with yourself? So I'm about to leave the nail salon now and then go get something to eat because I am hungry. So this is the end of the vlog. If you made it all the way to the end of the vlog, then what are you supposed to do? Y'all, I am going to get this car. Do you hear me? Mark my words, okay? This Tesla, I'm gonna get it, but I want it all black.